Not get a booster until after you've received both doses of either Moderna or Pfizer. So if you got one dose but didn't follow up for the second, the state says do that as soon as you can. Getting a COVID shot was not easy the first time around for many people in southern Nevada.
What about doses? I know initially, of course, there was we couldn't get doses as fast as we wanted them. Do you see that happening this time, or do you think that will be different?
I don't really anticipate any problems with the vaccine itself. We have plenty of vaccine available.
And not only does the Southern Nevada Health District's chief medical officer say there's plenty of vaccine, he expects the state will be ready to give boosters in September.
The booster dose will first be available for those people who completed their first and second dose back in December and January. So that would include the cohort, that would include healthcare workers, folks who live in long-term care facilities, as well as seniors. And then as time goes on, then the booster dose will be available to the rest of the population, again, depending on when they completed their second dose of the vaccine.
But how will you go about getting the vaccine?
Getting the dose, will it be similar to the way we did it before? Will they be walk-in clinics? Will we have to go online to do it, make phone calls? Will the process be the same?
Again, we're currently working on how we're going to operationalize this, and as we get that information together, we'll certainly make that information available to the public.
So we do know there is no recommendation at this point for a booster for those who got the Johnson & Johnson single-dose shot.
The data are just not there yet to make any sort of recommendation for the booster for that particular vaccine.
And while nursing homes may be the first to get boosters during the rollout, Nevada Senior Services says it is expecting more formal guidance in the next day or two on the plan for boosters there. So we know that you have many questions and we want to answer all of them. So we will be asking for updates every day on the booster rollout and pass on those details to you as soon as we get them. Live at the update desk, Joe Vigil, Fox 5 News Local, Las Vegas.